Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Today I am doing a giveaway for my subscribers. And I am doing 2 giveaways. In this video, I'm gonna select one of the winners from the previous 2 videos, and in the next giveaway, we'll select the next winner.
For this one, let's see. There you go. Here is our lucky winner.
Congratulations, Pam. I'm so excited to send all of these goodies to you. I hope you like them, and I have already messaged Pam, so I'm very excited for her to receive all the goodies. Alright, so before I start showing you what you can receive in this giveaway and tell you the rules, I just want to quickly show you what I made with resin. I mixed the resin with mica powder, and it looks like there's glitter inside, and these are for like Christmas tree ornaments. Very pretty. So I've been just like practicing around with it and see how it comes out. The gold one was actually a leftover from this bigger one. I don't really like how the back turned out. For some reason it's not shiny, so I'm still perfecting it, but if you can see on the side, it is absolutely beautiful. Nice. So, playing with resin off camera. Alright, so let's see. We got more stamps in here. And then a little bit more dies. And these will all come in the original package. So, first up we have this. Alright, so, rules are the same. These giveaways are for US only, so please only apply if you live in the United States, because that's where I can ship for cheap. These are all free. All you have to do is watch the video and listen for the question, and then somewhere in the video I'm gonna ask you questions, and all you have to do is answer in the comments down below. Oh, nice. So we got more stamps in here than the previous times. Very good. I think these are really good outline. If you're a previous winner, feel free to play again. If you're a previous winner, feel free to play again. Let's see. Alright, Washies. We got 4 from this box set. And they're all different. This one has like little hearts. This one flowers, and this one also has flowers but has a pink background, while this is clear. And then the other one is just, it's mostly for a journal. It's very good, like cloud little spots if you like journaling. And I also have some stickers. So these are stickers. A purple one, pink, blue, peachy pink, and then green. Too many stickers. I have duplicates of these. Don't need that much, so I hope someone else can put a better use to it. So I will be traveling soon, and what I'm gonna do is I'm leaving on September 17th. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna film a couple of videos in advance and then just schedule the uploading, so you still have some kind of entertainment while I'm gone. Here is a cutting die. Ooh, what is the name of this flower? The little, that's supposed to look like a bell. They're white. That's for it. And then there's a bird holding it. So it's like this. The bird is holding the flower. But you can cut off the bird and then use this just as the flower. And then this one is really good for Alice in Wonderland themed. And then we have this die, perfect for Christmas. Very cute, I think. And then dog, little doggos. They're so adorable. It's also like a mood. There's a question mark, eating, sleeping, dreaming, running, confused. Very cute. Very good lines too. My question for this week: hold on. This is a background. One big piece of background. I like to use this with a lighter ink and then give it a very nice background. My question for this giveaway is, what is your favorite dessert? That's it. Comment down below your favorite dessert. Okay, so this one is from the stencil page I mentioned in the last two videos. We had two different pieces. These are like palm tree leaves. So it was a huge big stencil page, and I could not fold it and send the whole piece to someone because it would damage. So what I did is cut them out and then sending one to different people. These are palm tree leaves. All right, we got two more. This is really good. This is one of my favorite stamps. I think I have 2, maybe 3 duplicates of this. And I really like them because you can mix and match. You can put different things on top of this. So if you want, what you can do is when you're stamping, you can put a little tape over this part and then stamp the ink on it, or like this, stamp the ink on it. Let me show you with the washi. So what you can do is put a washi or a tape over it, stamp it, take the washi off so there will be no ink on top of this, stamp it, and then you can put something on it without that black line there. How awesome is that? The last one is this washi, which has plants on it. There's another plant behind it, that's what you cannot see, but it's flowers. The vase, flowers, leaves. Very good for journaling or even card making. What you can do with this, if you like, you can put it on a white paper, glue it on the white paper, and then cut it out, and then you can use that as a sticker. Flowers, leaves. Very good for journaling or even card making. What you can do with this, if you like, you can put it on a white paper, glue it on the white paper, and then cut it out, and then you can use that as a sticker. Alright, so that was it for this first giveaway. Make sure you enter. I wish everyone good luck, and I hope whoever received this will love it. Alright, have a fantastic rest of the day, and there is a second giveaway coming up right after this.